message mo na? Anyone?
Yes, well, I know we do this every time.
Happy birthday!
So it kind of caught me off guard, but I just want to say thank you to everybody. Of course, to my family, Sister Kada, thank you guys so much. And of course, you guys, everybody who watches and supports us sa mga mall shows namin. Thank you guys so much. And well, I'd like to celebrate my birthday, of course, with you guys and Star Kada. So thank you guys, thank you for the cake. Thank you, sir.
Happy birthday!
Umiyak ka muna. Umiyak ka muna kung sincere.
Kaya na yun.
Kailangan may clear.
Actor yan, kaya na yun.
Kaya?
I was about to cry na kanina, pero hindi na wala.
Aaron, what's happy birthday in Spanish?
Happy birthday in Spanish, feliz cumpleaños.
Mahirap pala siya.
Ayun,
Happy
ayun,
birthday
ayun.
na lang. Happy birthday na lang. Happy birthday na lang.
Thank you.
Feliz cumpleaños.
Muchas gracias.
I know na pag-celebrate tayo ng birthday dito tayong lahat. So, siya sa pakiramdam, di ba?
Thank you. I guess I'll blow the...
At bago pa maubos yung kandila.
Yan.
Happy birthday, Aaron!
Thank you. Thank you so much.
25. Mr. Kada Aaron.